You've watched the previous tutorial about posing a dunning for customer, invoice or invoice group, and you had to specify a reason and possibly a reason detail. And you're wondering, can I create my own reasons? Because NetSuite provides some default one, but you may have your specific ones to your business. So if I go in setup, dunning pose reasons. And so here you can see all the default reasons that you have in your dunning in NetSuite. And by the way, if you want to go further than what's offered in the NetSuite dunning letters bundle, I encourage you to look at Kolleno.com, which can offer you very advanced, seamless NetSuite integration for this purpose. So here I see the different reasons. I will click on New Dunning Pose Reason. I can enter a name, client negotiating new contract, a description. I use this pose reason when sales let us know about a new contract negotiation, and a little typo. And then you can enter dunning pose reason details. So remember, when you're on the customer invoice group, you choose a dunning pose reason, and then you can choose sub options that you can add here. Like for example, yearly contract negotiation. That can be an option. And then the next one is monthly. And then you can add the description, etc. And then you save. You also have the option to mark it as inactive, when inactive reasons will not be available in drop-down fields and lists. So that's a good alternative to deleting, so you still have that traceability of the reasons that you've had. So it's that simple. Follow the channel for more videos. Give a thumbs up to make that video more popular, and have a look at the other one. Bye bye.